Okay, so we'll start with linear equations. So before linear equations, can you tell me what is equation? What is an equation?
Equal to sign.
Yes, equal to sign. Any expression that has an equal to sign is called a equation. Okay. Now, what is linear equation? What is a linear equation?
Has one variable.
It has one. It can have two variables also. It can have one variable and it can have two variables also. But when will it be called linear? It will be called linear when the power or index, we say, when the power on index of that variable is, how much should be for linear? One or one? Yes, one. So the power of that variable should be 1. If it is more than 1, then it will not be a linear equation. If it is more than 1, it will not be a linear equation. And for linear equation, power of the variables should be 1. Now you see, if you see the definition written in the textbook, it is said an equation which contains two variables. Okay, so there should be two variables and degree of both the variable. Degree means power. Okay, so degree of each variable or both variable is 1. That is called a linear equation. Is this sentence clear? Did you understand the sentence? Yes? Okay. Now, next line, if you see ax plus by plus c equal to 0, is a general form of a linear equation. Okay, so the general form or how a linear equation will look like. Okay, it is of this form: ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Okay, now in this, a, b, and c are numbers. Okay, these are any number, or we call it as any real number. Okay, any real number. A, B, and C are any real number, and X and Y are the two variables. Okay, X and Y are the two variables. Okay, so a general form of a linear equation is AX plus BY plus C equal to 0. Okay, so I'll write here, this is called as the general form. Okay. Now, let's see an example. One more thing. These are any real numbers except 0. Except 0. Or they are not 0 at same time. Okay, I'll not say except 0, but instead of that, we'll say not 0 at same time, or not 0 together. Okay, they are not 0 together. A, B, and C, either one of them can be 0. Two of them also can be 0, but all three of them at the same time cannot be 0 in one equation. Clear?
Yes.
Okay, let's see example. Okay. Is this a linear equation?
Yes.
Yes, this is a linear equation. Is this in the general form of the linear equation?
Yes.
How does the general form looks like? General form should be ax plus by plus c equal to 0. This is a general form. Is this in the
So it
general
is
form?
not. No,
It
it
is
is
not.
not.
But we can write it in the general form. You just have to take 7 on this side. So 2x plus 3y minus
Minus 7.
7 equal to 0. Now this is in the general form of the linear equation. Okay, can you tell me this? 2x plus 7. Is this a
No, it's
linear?
not.
This is
It's
not a
not, and
linear.
it's not even in general form, but it's not.
It's not, because the power of the variable y is 2. Hence, this is not a linear equation. Okay, let's do this activity that is there in your textbook.
Yes, you have to do all the activities in the textbook.
So it says complete the following table, and is the given equation a linear equation in two variables? Okay, so it has to be linear equation and in two variables. So there should be two variables. So let's look at the first one. First one is already done. 4m plus 3n equal to 12. Yes, this is a linear equation. There are two variables. So it is here we do not have to see whether it is in the general form or not, but it is a linear equation. And there has to be two variables. Now look at the second one. 3x
Second one
squared.
is not
It's
because
not.
it has square.
So you write here no. Third one. Root 2x minus root 5y is equal to 16. Is this a linear equation?
Yes.
Yes, it is a linear equation. Be a little confident. It is. Okay, now look at the second one. Fourth one. Fourth one is 0x plus 6y minus 3 equal to 0. Is this linear
Yes.
equation in?
This is a
Yeah,
linear equation
this
in
is
two
a linear
variables.
equation. Well, right here, yes. What about the fifth one?
Fifth one is also a linear equation
Yes, it is.
because even 0.3 can be said as a number.
Yes, yes, correct. So it is a linear equation. What about the sixth one?
Yes.
Is it a linear equation? When do we say that the equation is linear? When the power is
1.
1. Power is 1. Power of the variable should be 1. So is it a linear equation?
Um, yes, it is.
Give me a moment now. Well, let's see why sixth one. Actually, sixth one is not a linear equation. So it is 4 upon x plus 5 upon y is equal to 4.
What is the degree of a fraction?
We'll have to do little bit simplification of this, and then you'll come to know what is the degree. Okay. So here, if we do cross multiplication, okay, so it will be 4y plus 5x upon xy is equal to 4. Is this clear? The step?
Yes.
Okay. Now you can
X into y, correct?
yes, x into y, yeah, denominator. So this, if you take this side and just rearrange, this will become 5x plus 4y equal to 4xy. Okay. Now you look at the power of this last term. Look at the two combined power. Okay. So what is the power of x? 1. Power
1
of y
and y
is
also 1.
1. And what will be the combined power because it is together?
2.
What? 2. So the combined power is 2. Now tell me, will it be a linear equation?
No.
No. So this is not a linear equation. So here you write no. Keeping that same example in mind, what can you tell me about the 7th one?
No, not a linear equation.
Not a linear equation. No. Yeah. Yes. So next is the simultaneous linear equations. Okay. Now when we say, if you read a sentence, when we think about two linear equations in two variables at the same time. Okay, so two different linear equations in two variables. When you work with them at the same time, then they are called as simultaneous equations. Okay, and you must have studied, I think, in your 9th standard what is simultaneous equation.
Yes.
Okay, so we'll revise that then.
You just have to like find A or B and then put it in the second
X and Y.
equation.
X and Y.
Yes.
So let's revise the same example. So it says solve the following simultaneous equations simultaneously. So first equation is 5x minus 3y equal to 8. And then you had 3x plus y equal to 2. Okay. Now, what can get cancelled? Is there any term that can get cancelled? So here, see, it is minus 3y and here it is plus y. So if you put
So
3
minus
here,
y plus y.
but this is 3. I wanted to get
So
cancelled,
you
but here,
multiply it by
yes,
3.
yes. You multiply. So if you call this equation number 1 and this you call equation number 2, you multiply equation number 2 with 3. Okay, so when you multiply the entire equation with 3, your new equation will be, can you tell me?
9x plus 3y equals to 6.
Equals to 6. So this is your new equation. Now you use your first and the third equation. Okay, now you use that. So let's use it. So 5x minus 3y equal to 8 and 9x plus 3y equal to 6. Now you know what will get cancelled. So minus 3 plus 3
Yes.
cancelled. 5 plus 9 is how much?
40.
Hmm? 5 plus 9.
14.
14. So here I'll write 14x equal to 8 plus 6.
14.
14. Okay, so 14x is equal to 14. So x will be equal to 14 upon 14. That is 1. 1. So you got the value of x as 1. Now we need to find the value of y. So to find the value of y, you take any
Put
one of these three
x.
equations. Any one you
Second
take.
equation.
Yeah, you put x equal to 1 in, substitute x is equal to 1 in any of the three equations. So we'll take the first one only. That is 5x. So we'll take the first one itself, that is 5x minus 3y equal to 8. Now substitute x as 1 in this equation. So 5 into 1 minus 3y equal to 8. So this will give you 5 minus 3y is equal to 8. And how will you simplify this? Take minus 3y on the other side and bring plus 8 on the other side. So it becomes 5 minus 8 equal to minus 3y. And 5 minus 8 is?
3.
And the sign?
Minus.
Minus 3. Minus 3 is equal to minus 3y. So from here, you can say that y will be equal to minus 3 upon minus 3. Minus minus cancel, 3 and 3 cancel. So you got 1. So the value of y is 1. So finally, you can say the solution is x equal to 1, y equal to 1. Is this clear? Do you remember this?
Yes.
So this is the way we solved simultaneous equations.
Yes.
Oh, wait, we did one. I did one mistake. See, minus 3y, when it went on the other side, it should be plus, right? So I'll change this. This is plus. So you have 3 upon minus 3, that is minus 1. So minus y is equal to minus 1. Clear now? I hope no confusion.
Yes.
So let's move further. Let's do that activity sum. This one. Okay. So can you tell me now how we'll fill? So first is 3x plus 2y equal to 29, and then is 5x minus y is equal to 18. Okay. So let's
2
solve it.
minus y.
Where?
First one. Yes. 2 will be over there.
Here.
Yes.
Let's solve the following. Okay. Multiplying equation 2 by 2.
By 2.
Yeah. So here 2 minus y. And what about this block here? What about this block here? 2. Because you're multiplying the entire equation with 2. So each term will be multiplied with 2. What about here?
2.
2. So 5x into 2. So look here. 5x into 2 will give you 10x. Y into 2 gave you 2y. And what will be 18 into 2?
36.
36. So what will be in this block? 36.
Yes.
Okay. Now let's add equation 1 and 2. So 3x plus 2y equal to 29 is your equation 1. 1 and 3. So what will come here? This is your equation 3. So this itself you copy down here. So this will be 10x minus 2y equal to 36. Is this clear?
Yes.
Now, if you look carefully, this is cancelled off.
Yes.
And now you have to add this. So how much is 3x plus 10x?
13.
13. So in this block, what will you write? In this block?
13.
Yes, 13x.
X.
This went off. So this you're adding. 3x plus 10x, 13x. So here 13x. And now here 29 plus 36. How much is it?
65.
Sorry?
65.
65. Okay. Now here, this would be as x equal to 65 upon 13. 65 divided by 13. So that will be 5. So in this block here, what will you write? 5. So here, 5. Now it is said substituting x is equal to 5 in equation 1. So equation 1 is 3x plus 2y equal to 29. So in place of x, you have to substitute or you have to write 5. So this will be 3 into what will be your
3 into 5.
yes. 3 into 5 plus 2y is equal to 29. And how much is 3 into 5?
15.
50. So in this block, in this box, you will write 15. So you have 15 plus 2y equal to 29. Now in the next step, they are taking this plus 15 on the other side. So this minus sign is already there here. So in this box, you will write, what will you write in this box?
15.
15. And how much is 29 minus 15?
14.
14. So in this box, you do 14. And now after this, just one step is there. That is y equal to 14 upon 2. That is 7. So x comma y is 5 comma 7. Is this activity clear? Have you understood each and every step?
Yes, understood. Yes. There is an activity in practice at 5, practice at 1.1 also.
Okay. Can you do that activity and tell me the answer?
Oh, yes.
Okay. Okay. So do this in the text, write it in pencil, and then you do tell me the answer and we'll cross check. Once you're done, let me know. We'll cross check then. Okay?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Solution is x comma y equals to 3 comma minus 2. You're on mute.
Okay, let me check. Okay, I'll solve the sum here. You check it with your answer. Okay, correct. 3 comma minus 2. This is clear?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So we'll do this one. Question number 2. Solve the following simultaneous equations. So we'll do the first one. So that is 3a plus 5b equal to 26 and a plus 5b equal to 22. Okay, so let's do it. So 3a plus 5b equal to 26 and a plus 5b equal to 22. Now, can you tell me what to do next? Should we add? I'll call this as equation 1 and I'll call this as equation 2.
You will add equation 1 and 2.
Okay. Now, one thing to note: if you add,
yes,
so
both are plus.
Will anything get cancelled? Will 5b and 5b get cancelled? It will not get cancelled. So for it to get cancelled, what to do? If not add, then what other option we have?
Subtract.
Subtract. Yes, subtract. So instead of adding, we will subtract equation 1 and 2. Now note one thing.
You can do anything like that.
It has to get cancelled. It has to get cancelled. So here it is not getting cancelled. So that is why I have to do subtraction. Okay. If it is getting cancelled, suppose if this would have instead of plus, suppose if it would have been minus, then no need. Then you direct add and cancel it. But it is not getting cancelled.
I was asking that when to find out that you have to add and when to find out that you have to subtract.
Yeah. So like for example, in this case, it is not getting cancelled. When you're adding, it is none of them is getting cancelled. Nothing is getting cancelled. That means you should understand that I have to do subtraction. If it is getting cancelled, then you do addition. Is this clear? Will you be able to make out now?
Yes.
Okay. So here we'll do subtraction. Now, when you're doing subtraction, one very important point you have to keep in mind. Okay, and this you have to do in all the sums. When you're doing subtraction, you change the sign of all the terms throughout. Okay, so this minus sign is for this plus sign will change to minus, and here 22 has a positive sign with it, so it will become minus. Okay, this you have to do always. Okay, change the sign throughout whenever you're doing subtraction. Okay, so we will do the subtraction now. Okay, so now it is so now see plus 5b and now minus 5b. Now it can get cancelled. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. So you cancel it. Cancel this. Now how much will be 3 minus a? 3a minus a will give you 2a. And 26 yeah, 4. So you have 2a is equal to 2. Yes, correct. So 4 upon 2, that is 2. So you have got the value of A equal to 2. Now you substitute A in any equation. So we'll take the second one, it will be easier. So A plus 5B is equal to 22. Substitute here. So this will be 2 plus 5B equal to 22. Take plus 2 on the
So
other side. So 22 minus 2. Yes?
yes. So
Come.
5 is equal to 4. Sorry, P is equal to 4.
Yeah. So B is equal to 4. So your solution
2,
is
4.
yes, 3. So solution A comma B is 3 comma 4. Sorry, 2 comma 4. 2 comma 4. So have you understood this sum?
Yes.
Finished writing?
No, no, no.
Okay. Write it. Write it down. Understand all the steps, each and every step, understand and write. Can you see it?
Yes, I have zoomed it. I can see it.
Yeah. Okay. Just see that you understand.
You are on mute. Saying something?
Yeah. Now I just said, just see that you understand each and every step and write.
Yes.
Okay.
Done.
So we'll do the yes. Okay. Second one. Now, second one, I'll give you a hint and I want you to solve it. Okay, so it is x plus 7y equal to 10. And here you have 3x minus 2y equal to 7. Can you tell me what will be easier to do, addition or subtraction?
It doesn't matter because you can't cancel anything.
See, here there is plus and here there is minus. So this term can get cancelled, can get.
But 7 and 2 are
But
not.
it is 7 here and it is 2 here. So what you can do is, you can multiply here with some number and you can multiply here with some number and you can make these two terms the same. Okay. Now, how to decide that? By which number we should multiply? So you look here in your, this is first equation and this is second equation. So you look here in the second equation, which number is there with y? 2. So you multiply first equation with 2. You look at the first equation of which number is there with 7, with y, it is 7.
7.
So you multiply the second equation with 7. So you see it is crisscross. So here what number is there? That you multiplied with the first entire equation, and here what number is it? That you multiplied with the second equation. So your entire first equation you multiply it with 2, and your entire second equation you multiply it with 7. Can you tell me what will be the new equation now?
2x plus 14y equals to 20 and 21x minus 14y equals to 14.
Equal to 7 into 7 is
Sorry, 49.
49. Now what is getting cancelled?
Plus 14 minus 14.
Cancelled. Can you complete this sum?
Won't it be? Yeah, no, yes, I think, yes.
Okay, so will you be able to do it now? Now do it and tell me the final answer.
Yes.
Okay, but before that, here you have to write, okay, multiplying equation
Yes,
1 with 2 and then multiplying equation 2 with 7. That write it in words, okay? You can't see, not visible. Little bit more closer. Okay, how did you get 10y? 10y? How did you get 10y?
7 plus 3.
But it is 3 plus 7y. Look at the equation. It is 3 plus 7y. There is no y with 3. So what you do is keep 7y. Hmm? What?
So I cannot add 3 and 7.
7 has a variable y with it, no? So you cannot add. So keep 7y as it is on one side and take 3 on the other side. So you will have 7y equal to 10 minus 3. Yeah, now it's correct. Okay, so x is 3 and y is 1. Let's see the third one. 2x.
After the third one, can we do the sixth one?
Sixth one. Yeah, we'll do the sixth one also. Don't worry about it. It has fractions in it.
Yes.
Okay. The third one is 2x minus 3y is equal to 9. And here it is 2x plus y is equal to 13. This is equation 1. This is equation 2. Now, can you look carefully and tell me what will get cancelled? Now, here it is minus 3y and here it is plus 3y. Now, this can get cancelled only if there is 3 here. But here 3
Multiplied with 3.
Yes, you multiply entire equation number 2, multiply equation 2 by 3. Do I have to multiply anything for equation 1?
No.
No, there's no need. So can you complete this sum?
Yes.
Be careful with the signs, okay?
Yes. Wouldn't we be subtracting equation 3 from 1? Like, wouldn't it be like looking like this?
We're not subtracting. One.
Don't view.
Why do you have to subtract? We don't have to subtract. Now look at your equation. There is no need to subtract because there is one plus sign and there is one minus sign already. Did you understand?
Yes, and then if I add it, I get 8x equals to 52.
8x 8x equal to 48. Look here. So this is the first equation. This is the second equation. Okay, which I got after multiplying. So this, after multiplying by 3, we get this. So I'll call this equation 3 and this as equation 4. Okay, now minus 3y and plus 3y.
I did not understand what I did wrong.
Show me the book again. See, your equation 3 is correct. But why are you doing subtracting? There is no need to do, don't write that subtraction, write addition. Show me the book now. Show me, let me have a look. Yeah. How much is 13 into, okay, wait, 6x plus 3y is equal to 39. Okay, you have copied that equation wrong. 2x minus 3y is equal to 9. It is 9. 2x minus 3y equal to, you have written 13. 2x minus 3y equal to 13. So it is not 13, it is 9. So 2x minus 3y equal to 9. And now you add it. 39 plus 9. So 39 plus 9 will give you how much? Are you getting 48?
No, 1 second, 1 second.
Oh, you're getting it, right? Are you able to do?
Yes, I'm getting it.
Okay, do. Take your time and do. Yeah, it's correct. 3 comma 6 comma minus 1. Correct.
I can do the fourth one for homework.
Can you just show me again? Show me it again. Okay, so look at that step, minus 3y equal to minus 3. Look at that step, you up to this step, minus 3y of the second one after substituting. Minus 3y is equal to minus 3. Look at this step.
Yes.
So minus and minus is gone off. So y will be equal to 3 upon 3, which is plus 1. Okay, so answer will be plus 1. Do you
But
understood?
yes, but what if I don't cancel it and I just get the plus 1 over plus 3 over this? That minus 1 is the wrong answer.
No, I didn't understand. If you don't cancel what?
So what I have done, if I do that, and if I
No,
don't do
okay.
this,
What you have done is also correct, but you missed one thing. I'll tell you what is that. So this was minus 3 and here minus 3. So you are taking this minus 3 on the other side. Now, so it will become minus 3 divided by minus 3. So minus minus and 3 cancel and you are left with just 1.
okay, I'll do that because then there'll be
Yeah.
lots
Yeah.
of cancellation.
Yeah. Because you have just taken 3 down. So it has to be minus 3 there in the denominator.
So a comma b is equal to 6 comma 1.
6 comma 1. Correct. I'll give you a hint of how to do the sixth one. You try it. If you don't get, then we'll do it in the next class. Okay. Will you be able to do fourth one and
4,
fifth?
7, 8.
Yeah. 4.
Oh, fifth one also.
7 is little different. You don't do the seventh one. I'll show you seventh one. So fourth, fifth one, and sixth one, I'll give you a hint. So you try the sixth one also.
And 8.
7 and 8 we'll do in the next class.
Okay.
The sixth one is, so if you see the equation, it is 1 upon 3x plus y equal to 10 upon 3 and 2x plus 1 upon 4y equal to 11 upon 4. So here equation 1 and here equation 2. Now if you note, if you see this equation has fractions and solving fractions is little bit difficult. So what you do is you will have to simplify this little bit. Now if you look in the first equation, what is the number in the denominator in both the fractions?
3.
3. So what you do is you multiply your first equation by 3. Multiply equation 1 by 3. Do the exact same thing in equation 2. In equation 2, what is the number in the denominator of the fraction? 4. So you multiply entire equation 2 by 4. Okay. Now see how, be careful when you multiply. Okay. So 1 upon 3x in 1 upon 3. Now when you're multiplying first equation by 3, so 1 upon 3 into 3x plus 3y equal to 10 upon 3 into 3. Did you understand this?
It's 1 upon 3x.
No, x is here in the numerator. X is here up, not down. Okay, you mean to
Okay,
say
so
like
then
this.
you can.
You mean to say like this, 1 upon 3x into 3, like this?
Yes.
Okay, fine. Now, this 3 and this 3 cancelled here, and this 3 and this 3 cancelled here. Is this clear?
Yes.
Okay. So you'll have the new
So
equation.
1x plus 3y equals to 10.
equals to 10. Yeah, so this you call it equation 3. Do the exact same thing for this equation 2. So this you will multiply by 4. So let's do that also. So this was 2x into 4
2x plus 1 upon 4.
plus
So
1 upon
2x.
4 into 4y, or how you want to write it, you can write it that way. You can write like 1 upon 4y into 4 equal to, what was the last term?
11 upon 4.
11 upon 4 into 4. Okay, so here what will get cancelled? This 4 and this 4 cancelled. This 4 and this 4 cancelled. So your new equation will be 2x into 4 will give you how much?
Oh, sorry. 8x.
8x plus y equal to 11. This you call it as equation 4. Okay, so you see we got the two new equations. So that is x plus 3y equal to 10 and 8x plus y equal to 11. Now you have to solve this simultaneously. Will you be able to solve this simultaneously?
I'm multiplying it by 3.
Which equation?
That I'll do.
Okay.
Oh, second equation.
And one more thing. This is plus and this is also plus. Both are plus, so it is not going to get cancelled. So what will you do?
So you will do subtraction.
Subtraction.
To change
And when
the
you're
sign.
yes, when you're doing subtraction, make sure you change the sign. This one point keep in mind. Okay, so we'll stop here. Fine. So we'll continue. You do these 3 sums for homework, and the 7th and 8th one will solve in the next class. Okay?
Okay. Yes.
So see you on Tuesday.
Yes.
Next week, Tuesday.
Yes.